When you judge someone, you're not just seeing them. You're revealing your own mind. The anger, the superiority, the disgust, that's not coming from them. That's coming from you. And here's what most people never realize. The same mind that condemns others will turn on you. Every harsh judgment you make becomes the standard your own mind uses against you. That's why people who judge the most often suffer the most. Guilt, anxiety, constant inner criticism. It's not about morality, it's about mechanism. Your mind is always watching, always recording, and whatever you practice towards others, you will experience within yourself. The moment you see this clearly, everything changes. You stop feeding division inside yourself. You stop needing to be right. And you become the interruption in a world addicted to judgment.